Before installing Netbeans, you have to download JDK. So at first we will download JDK. It will take some time. Click next, next, and the installation will be started. Now you have to download the Netbeans. Click on the setup. It will take more than like 2 minutes to install. Now search for Netbeans in your PC. Your Netbeans has been opened. Now go to new project, select Java with Ant Java application, and then name the project like my project. Finish. Your Java project has been opened. Now click on my project. Now if you want to create new class, then you have to select new class, new Java class, and name it main. Now you have opened your Java project.